Welcome everyone. So this is Daniel Light, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to claim a $50 no deposit bonus which you'll be getting instantly without KYC. Now one thing I want you to understand and know is that this video is actually split into two ways, so you need to pay attention to every single detail. And this is a screenshot of me trading with the bonus and I'm in profit. So if you want to join the Telegram group where you get free signals, you are free to do so. There's a link in the comment section which I pinned to the top. Click on the link, and also that is where you'll be able to get the link to this free bonus account to be able to claim it. And like I said earlier, this video is actually split in two ways for you to be able to claim it. So you need to pay attention, clearly attention, and make sure you follow every single step I'll be showing, because if there's a section where you might actually get the bonus without a code and you might get it with the code. So it's split into two ways. Alright, so without wasting time, if you click on the link in the comment section, it will bring you right here to this site right here where you see details like this, and click on that section which will bring you to this place where you click on get bonus. And get bonus will actually take you to another step where you'll be able to fill in your details for registration, and you'll be eligible to actually claim the bonus. Now you can see where it actually brought us having details like this on the screen. Now you click on this place that says login, and after clicking on that, to take us to a place where we see details for us to be able to proceed to login in. Now see options like this, and at the top you click on login once again, and then that will bring us right here where you actually need to fill in your email address and a password. But instead we're actually going to click on registration since we haven't created an account with them already. So you click on registration, and that will bring us another section where we have to fill in our state, our country where we are from, and also our email. Now you can see right here this section that says country. I put in my country, and I actually need to put in my email address. And after filling these details right here, we need to click on register for the last part. Now clicking on register will actually send details of account to our email address. Now you can see details right here. You have to make sure you take note of every details right there and fill in the details according to how you want your MT5 to look like. Now you can see right here, this is what we have after correcting the details for the MT5 or MT4, anyone you like you select. Now go straight to your email address. Now after this right here, see at the top of my email address the message which was sent to me. Now we need to click on this to confirm our email address for verification. Now after that, you come back to the site. That will bring us to the site where we have details of our account right here ready. Now this is where you need to pay attention. Now like I said earlier, it's split into two ways. If you, after creating the account and you don't have the bonus automatically in the account, it means you have to come back to this section that says promotion and bonus. Now you click on it, and right here you need to activate the bonus with a code. Now I'll be posting the code right here on the screen. This is the code right here on the screen. You just need to input the code, and you'll be given the bonus immediately into that account which you created. Now since that is done and we've gotten the bonus, you just need to go back and take these details which was sent to your MT4 or MT5 according based on what the details you should actually fill in. So having details for the account, you just need to go straight to your MT4 or MT5 like I said earlier. So that's after the registration is done and you've gotten details of your MT4 account and MT5 account. So right here you need to proceed after having details like this on the screen. Like you can see, I just got my details and everything is actually showing clearly, and you just need to proceed to login into MT4 and start trading instantly. And for the terms and conditions, you need to pay attention, because at the end of this video I'll be explaining each and every terms and condition you need to be aware of. So right here in the MT4, you actually put in fresh forex for the name of the server, which will actually bring in the demo and the live. So you have to choose the live for the MT4, and for the MT5, so you put in fresh forex, and then it brings this right here. Input your details, and after that you click on login, and you have this right here in your balance. And for the terms and conditions, you need to pay attention and go through it carefully, because if I start to explain, it will take a long time. So let me just give you a brief explanation about the terms and conditions. So you can see you have to trade 2 lot size in the next 14 days, because the bonus is only lasting for 14 days from the day you actually opened this bonus account. So the bonus will be lasting for 14 days, and you need to trade 2 lot size. And there's other calculation to this 2 lot size which you actually need to meet, but just when you are trading 2 lot size, but there's no scalping, you're not allowed to scalp. That it won't be calculated as part of the profit. So pay attention, go through the terms and conditions. There's more to the terms and conditions you need to understand, and if you don't understand, just DM me, I'll give you more clear insights about it. So have a nice day guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because most of you actually don't need to subscribe. I love everyone. Have a nice day.